GUANTENG for energy saving and environmental friendly, for better life quality. Create a new era of energy. Foshan GUANTENG New Energy Company Limited was established in 2003, located in Shunde, China. It is a high-tech enterprise that focuses on research and development, production, and sales of heat pump water heaters. GUANTENG successfully listed on NEEQ stock in 2017, stock code 872150. Experiences accumulated by time, excellence achieved by details, improving never stops. GUANTENG becomes one of China's top 10 heat pump manufacturers. Equipped with advanced automatic production lines, experienced technical teams, high production efficiency, humanized management, intelligently complete every process, accurately produce every part, provides high-quality products to customers. Towards the era of digitized management, intelligent electronic identification for inspection and storage, reduce labor consumption, increase production efficiency, develop energy-saving, environmental-friendly, and safe products. GUANTENG insists on independent innovation and quality service, focuses on independent research and development of energy-saving and environmental-friendly heat pump water heaters, establishing experienced R&D teams, participating in drafting national standards of heat pumps, awarded as innovative enterprise by the government, have 3 national certified normal temperature and low temperature heat pump laboratories. Power laboratories can test heat pump operating data in different working conditions through laboratory tests to ensure the relationality of heat pump design. Quality control starts at the source of design. The laboratory equipment control and measurement are automated with automatic data acquisition, processing, and preservation. At the same time, it can also measure a variety of performance parameters of heat pumps. Professional technology creates excellent quality. We carry out ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 40001 Environmental System Certificate, and ISO 18001 Occupational Health and Safety System Certificate, China Energy Saving Product Certification, National Industrial Product Permit, High-Tech Enterprise Certificate, Electrical and Medical Engineering Certificate 3, CEMCB Certificate. We have a complete range of products to meet customers' needs, including domestic heating heat pump, domestic hot water heat pump, commercial building heating heat pump, commercial building hot water heat pump, swimming pool heat pump, water source heat pump, and so on, which are widely used for families, hotels, shopping malls, schools, hospitals, factories. Our products have been exported to more than 30 countries. We have professional R&D, production, service, and sales teams to meet the needs of customers as a goal. Produce new energy products to change lives. The burst of inspiration and creativity, the the passion of sweet and struggle consistent attitude, developing by honest and transparent work, reaching the top of the markets. Presenting excellent quality and leading brand. GUANTENG.